everybody else is learning how to know how to write code in Python, how are you gonna be different? You know, how are you gonna stand out from the thousands of people in the application? What's up with y'all? Hope everybody doing good. This is Jaykleezie, and today I'll be doing like a little different video. I want to share with you why I will be diving into C++ over the next year for 2025, and I'm gonna be sharing you why I think it's worth learning, whether you're in tech or just curious. So here's why I'm investing some time into learning C++. But first things first, I'm gonna go for a little walk. All right, y'all, it's a good day. It's a good day. First up, I use C++ in my job currently. So that's one reason why I'm diving deep into it. C++ is widely used in a lot of industries. It's really known for its high performance. You know, when you're dealing with things that depend on the speed of things and the efficiency of things, 9 times out of 10 they're either using C or C++ in my opinion, and not like an interpret language like Python and other things like that. So that's one reason I'm using it. You know, and just learning it for my job purposes allows me to get better at my job. Allows me to understand things within the company a little better. It helped me understand a couple of things within the company and how the system works and everything. So that's one reason why I'm learning C++. And also, speaking of industry, C++ is everywhere. You know, if you like gaming, it's heavily in gaming. Finance, robotics, trading, anything that requires speed and efficiency. Which brings me to my next point, and that is job opportunities. I know a lot of people think that Python is the way to go for job opportunities, but you got to think about it. If everybody else is learning how to write code in Python, how are you gonna be different? You know, how are you gonna stand out from the thousands of people in the application pool? And this is why I feel like a lot of more people should learn C++. It's an old language. It's been used for 30 years plus, 20 years plus. So I feel as though like you should learn that, bro. You should definitely learn that. Like, if you want to be that person that can kind of work in different fields, not just one field like web development or machine learning, you want to work in kind of be a jack of all trades, C++ is the way to go. Now, with that being said, I know you're probably wondering why you shouldn't. Like, why not should I learn Python? Why should I learn C++ instead of Python? And I'm not saying do not learn Python. All I'm saying is don't just learn Python, you know? It's easy for a reason. You know, you want some level of difficulty, some level of expertise in there. And I'm still learning C++ myself. I'm still learning Python myself. So no way am I a subject matter expert at this, but I am currently in the field learning and building stuff with C++. So, you know, Python is a fantastic language, but the market is saturated. Again, the market is saturated. Python developers. So if you want to be, again, set apart from the large pool of applications within the job, I say go ahead and learn C++. I know, what can you lose at this point? What can you lose? And that brings me to my next point. So my next point is speed, and efficiency. Man, C++ is fast. It's very challenging. It is a little bit of a learning curve, especially coming from Python. But once you learn it, not only will you have a great foundation on programming as a whole, so you'll be able to pick up programming languages quicker and faster, and more efficient as well. And you know, yeah, C++ is mainly used for things that need speed and efficiency. It's used for stuff that needs to run smoothly and accurately. So like, think about bank applications, how your money gets withdrawn from your account when you buy something. You don't want a slow language doing that, or you're gonna be at the cashier waiting 5-10 minutes for something to confirm or approve, you know. So I feel as though, why not learn something that is in charge of that? Why not? It's such a powerful language. And so in conclusion, guys, so those are my top reasons why I'm learning C++ in 2025. I hope that you guys do the same. You know, really take some of the advice I'm giving, especially if you're in college or you're just about to graduate. I feel as though you should definitely learn C++, because that, I feel like everybody learns it, but nobody ever dives deep into it and build applications with it. Don't just learn how to do the leak code stuff, man. Learn how to build an app, build an application that does stuff for you, you know, does stuff, helps you out. That's what programming is all about, is, you know, writing programs to help life, to help your life get better. So yeah, those are my reasons why I'll be learning C++. I hope you guys do the same. I'll see y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all tuning in.